Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making a delicious creamy garlic shrimp and chicken pasta. This dish is rich and flavorful and perfect for a comforting homemade meal. If you are interested, keep on watching, and without any further ado, let's get cooking. Alright, my Dada's team, let's get started. So first, what you're gonna need, obviously you're gonna need some chicken breast. I'm going to go ahead and cut it up in cube size. It was already properly washed. Okay, you want to cut it in cube size. Then next, you are going to go ahead and slice in your onions, your garlic, obviously the scotch bonnet pepper and habanero pepper, that's optional. I just love me some spicy food. Yes, I know you guys gonna be like, Dada, you add everything, you add pepper in everything, you add hot stuff in everything. That's just me. You can up this part out. You don't have to put scotch bonnet pepper. I just like my food spicy. So you will find me using scotch bonnet pepper or habanero pepper, but it's not necessary to add any scotch bonnet pepper or habanero pepper. You can up this part out. All right, this was just me adding something to give it a little bit of kick to it. Okay, so I went ahead and sliced in my onions and chopped my garlic, my fresh garlic, and my scotch bonnet pepper, and this is how everything looks like. Now I'm going to go ahead and wash my shrimp. All right, take all of the scale out of the shrimp, clean it thoroughly, really good. If you enjoy watching this video so far, give this video a big like, big thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, and if you're new, I hope you will consider subscribing and turn on that post notification bell so that you do not miss out on any new upload. All right. And I thank all my old and new returning subscribers for constantly watching my video. Now I'm going to go ahead and boil my pasta. All right, like I said, when you get out of work and you get out of work late, you want to find some easy and quick dinner recipe that you can make for your whole family. Because I'm telling you, this is what I'm bringing you guys. Okay, if you don't have the time, you get out of work at 5 o'clock, you're rushing home, you probably have to go to the store. These are the quick and easy dinner recipe you can make. All right, so my pasta was already boiled. I rinsed it out so that, with cold water, so that it will stop the cooking process. So I went ahead and add my I just have a brain freeze, guys. Chicken breast. I went ahead and pour in my seasoning, my complete adobo seasoning. Use any seasoning of your choice. Now, mind you, you don't want to use a lot of oil. We're just using a little bit of oil just to kind of like cook the chicken up a little bit and brown it. All right, so now once the chicken is already brown, I'm going to go ahead and pour in my chopped garlic, chopped onions, scotch bonnet pepper, which I said it was optional, and add some bay leaf to give my house that beautiful aroma. Okay, went ahead and season with some salt. A little bit of salt, a little bit goes a long way, because the type of sauce that I'm using, yes, it's a store brand type of Alfredo sauce. All right, if you guys want me to make you a fresh Alfredo sauce or creamy sauce at home, which is easy to make, I will be more than happy to make it for you guys. Okay, but like I said, we're talking about not having, a lot of time in our hands, especially when you work 9 to 5, or you just want to come home, make dinner, eat, and go to sleep, because we gotta work. Okay, so I'm using this store brand Alfredo sauce. It's easy, all right, but it comes out really, really perfect, almost like my husband, when he ate it the other day, we went to Olive Garden. He was like, after he ate mine, he was like, yours is actually tastes better than the one we went to the restaurant. All right, he said mine tastes better. Mind you, obviously, all this seasoning that I'm adding, I'm sure they don't add that in the restaurant. So I add my sauce. I believe I used 3 jars because I want it to be really creamy and tasty. I mean, I don't think anything is wrong with using a store brand sauce. It's just like when you're cooking spaghetti or pasta, you buy the pasta sauce, right? So yeah, so I added a little bit of black pepper, and now I'm going to add some mozzarella cheese. Yes, if you love cheese, this recipe is for you. So I added my mozzarella cheese on the sauce to give it that nice creamy taste to it. Now I'm going to go ahead and add in my pasta. Yes, depending on how thick and creamy and rich you want it. If you want your pasta to be really saucy, like on the saucy side, I would say don't add a lot of pasta. Okay, I made a lot. Okay, I don't cook every day, but I made a lot. I eyeball everything because I don't want it to be dry either. I want it to be on the saucy side. So I added the pasta. It was quick, right guys? So give this video a big like, and I'm sure you guys like it. And if you do, just this is a way of communicating with me by liking the video to say, hey Dada, I like this video, and thank you so much for, you know, all the quick recipes that you guys bring in. Because, you know, guys, we all work, right? We all work. You know, you want to come home, make that quick dinner and eat, watch a little TV, get up in the morning, go back again, right? As long as your tummy is happy with food, that's what matters. But you don't, you know, if you don't have time during the week to cook after work, I would say these are the type of recipe you want to go for. So as you can see, I went ahead and add a little bit of cheese, mozzarella cheese to it to make it really creamy and saucy. And voila, this is the end result. You wait till I plate it up for you guys. You will see. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this garlic shrimp and chicken pasta recipe. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious recipe. I will see you all in my next video. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye bye.